Welcome. In today's video, I'll show how to hide your gender on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. If you want a bit more privacy or simply prefer not to display your gender, this quick guide is just for you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear. From here, select your name to go directly to your Facebook profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the About section. This is usually located just below your cover photo in the row of options like Posts, Friends, and Photos. Click on About to access your personal information. Now, scroll down until you find the Basic Info section. Here, you'll see details like your birthday, contact information, and, of course, your gender. Next to the gender field, there's a small edit icon that looks like a pencil. Click on this icon to open the editing options. You'll now see your current gender setting. Below it, there's an option that says, Show on my timeline with a checkbox next to it. To hide your gender from your profile, simply uncheck this box. This ensures that your gender will no longer be visible to others on your timeline. Once you've unchecked the box, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the section. This will update your settings and keep your gender information private. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your gender on your Facebook page using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.